Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this letter H and wanted to know how they could do this and make it the right size. The size is probably no problem. I'm going to hold down my caps and type in an H. I'm just going to use Arial. So first of all, we need to measure this H to see how big it is. I don't know if that, well, prospectively, it'll help. Let's get the parallel dimension tool. And let's go from about right there. Okay, it's 9.4 inches tall. So with our ratio locked, I'm not worried about the width right now. I'm going to make it 9.8? I didn't have it locked. See the difference? Well, let me make sure what my measurement was. 9.34. So with my ratio locked, I'm going to make it 9.34. So that gets us about the right size. I'm going to hit P and you can see the difference. Now this H is a little bit maybe more going on than I think it is, but I'm going to left click, right click, and I'm going to get, well, what we're going to do first, let's stretch it out a little bit, kind of make it maybe a little bit more evenly. That's not too bad. No, tell you what, where it was better. I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 0.01, and I'm going to grab it, and I'm going to move it to where the outside lines are about equal, and they are. Now, it's selected, so go to Object and convert it to a curve, and then when you do that, you'll see these nodes. Now let's set our nudge factor on like 0.1, grab the shape tool, grab our node, grab both these nodes, and click the left button 3 times. Now this one, we're going to just do it 1 time. This one, we're going to just kind of see how we are. Of course, you'd want them even. Now we need to do the middle. So we're just going to go up twice. And as long as we do the same amount, it should be equal. So that's pretty close. Now let's nudge that out of the way a little bit, like 9 inches, and grab it and move it out of the way so you can see what's really going on. Now I'm going to put it to the other side. Well, I'm still on the page. Because it's a curve, we can turn these nodes into corners. So I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners. And I think I can select both. Well, I could probably select them all. No, because I only want this one. And then I'm going to hold down the Shift key and select that one. And then I'm going to hit Apply. That might be a little bit more than the other one. Let's put it over top of it. And it's really, really close. So then just take, and if you need that same color, you can always take the Smart Fill tool, grab the eyedropper, get a sample of that purple. That's not a Corel color, I don't think. And there you have it. I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.